So our final activity for today is going to be cooking a meal. All right, we are going to be cooking a beans and sausage dish. I've got some spicy Mexican chorizo with green pepper, onion, and a can of beans. Super easy. I think I've got everything ready for this meal. So first we're gonna cut up some green peppers and an onion. Using a 10-inch. Put in some avocado oil. Good. We're going to be using some of this Mexican chorizo. I actually think I'm going to use the whole thing. So I think what I'm going to do is just squeeze it out of this tube. Cut it up a little bit. I am going to be transferring this whole thing to this bowl so I can cook the chorizo. We got the chorizo. And the chorizo itself is sizzling out. Good. I want it to get a little crispy. These back in. I think my fire might be dying, so and we'll add our final ingredient. It's going to be this can of beans. Cannellini beans. I am probably butchering the pronunciation of that. So it's not necessarily going to look pretty, but I think it's going to taste pretty good. And some more salt and pepper. And that is it. A can of beans, a green pepper, half an onion, and a tube of chorizo. I used a little bit of avocado oil to get the party started. Salt and pepper. That's it. You can add other things if you want. If I had some garlic, I probably would add that too, but I didn't want to run into the house. And it tastes delightful. Hey guys, if you are into camping, RVs, or anything to do with the outdoors, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We release new videos every week. And if you found value from this video, please give it a thumbs up or leave a comment below. That way the YouTube algorithm will recognize that people enjoy this video and show it to other people that are looking for the same information as you. All right, we'll see you next time. Peace.